DQL is nothing but data query language, which typically means, just imagine that there is a database that is present in the server, and how are we going to fetch the data? For that we use DQL, data query language. It is used to fetch the data from the database. Okay, for that we have a command which is called as select. Select is the only command that comes under DQL. Okay, so what happens is, in the database, when we use this select command, what it does is, in the database there will be 10 different tables, but when we are selecting a table, it will fetch that table alone. It will fetch the temporary table. It will replicate all the results and have it as a temporary table where we can view and use that data. Okay, so that is what this select command does. Now let me quickly take you through the syntax and a real-time example on that. Now let me quickly jump into my SQL workbench. Previously, when you watched the video, you could have come across, we have created the database named Amazon DB, and that is what we are going to use right now. And now under that Amazon, we have two different tables which we have already created in the previous video. One is customers and another one is product. Okay, so now let me take you through the syntax of select. So select, you have to add that command select there, and then followed by star. Star is nothing but all the columns that are present in the table will be listed. Okay, for that only we are using star. So all the columns we need, so we are putting it as star. From which table we want, that table name we have to put here. Okay, so this is the syntax, followed by semicolon. So now we are going to see the live example. So what we have to do is, what data is available in the product table. So all the data that is available in the product table needs to be fetched. Okay, that is the example we are going to see. So now let's type select, and since we need all the columns, we are going with star and followed by from, and now comes the table name, which is product, followed by semicolon. So this is what we need. Now I will execute it. Can you see? Now we have successfully fetched all the details that is present in our table called product. Okay, we successfully learned how to use select command.